Raise your right hand, now raise your left hand. Have you ever wondered, when you move your right hand, it is actually the left side of your brain that is controlling it? And when you move your left hand, your right brain becomes active. But why does the brain work in a crossed system? And are some people really left-brained while others are right-brained? Today, we are going to uncover the scientific truth behind this popular belief. Brain-to-brain structure, the foundation. The human brain is divided into two large halves called hemispheres. The left hemisphere, the right hemisphere, these two sides are connected by a powerful nerve bridge called the corpus callosum. This structure contains approximately 200 million nerve fibers. It allows both hemispheres to constantly communicate and share information. The brain is not two separate personalities. It is one highly interconnected supercomputer. Cross-body control, the contralateral system now here, is one of the most fascinating scientific facts. The brain follows a system called contralateral organization. This means the left hemisphere controls the right side of the body. The right hemisphere controls the left side of the body. This crossing happens in the brainstem, specifically in a region called the medulla oblongata. In this area, nerve fibers cross over in a process known as the decussation of pyramids. Because of this, damage to the left side of the brain can cause paralysis on the right side of the body. Damage to the right side of the brain can affect the left side of the body. This is not a theory, it is a clinically proven neurological fact. Writing left-handed versus right-handed people. Now let's talk about handedness. About 90% of people in the world are right-handed. The right hand is controlled by the left hemisphere. Interestingly, the left hemisphere is also usually responsible for language in most people. This means that in many individuals, language skills and fine motor skills are located in the same hemisphere, which increases efficiency. In left-handed individuals, language may sometimes be located in the right hemisphere, or it may be distributed across both hemispheres. Being left-handed is not abnormal. It is simply a natural neurological variation. Brain functional specialization, what is each side better at? Scientific research shows that the hemispheres have certain specializations. The left hemisphere is typically stronger in language processing, grammar, logical reasoning, sequential thinking, mathematical calculations. The right hemisphere is typically stronger in spatial awareness, recognizing faces, understanding emotional tone, visual imagery, pattern recognition. But here is the important truth. This is not exclusive control. It is relative specialization. Almost every complex activity involves both hemispheres working together. Microscope, the origin of the myth. In the 1960s, neuroscientist Roger Sperry conducted research on split-brain patients. He discovered that each hemisphere has specialized functions. However, the media and personality tests later exaggerated these findings. Modern brain imaging studies, including fMRI scans, show that most cognitive tasks activate networks across both hemispheres. There is no scientific evidence that a person is purely left-brained or purely right-brained. The correct scientific term is brain lateralization. This means certain functions may be more dominant on one side, but the brain works as a coordinated system. It is not division, it is integration. So the next someone says, I am right-brained, so I am creative, or I am left-brained, so I am logical, you can confidently respond, I use my whole brain, because the brain is not divided into two personalities. It is a synchronized, interconnected, intelligent system processing billions of signals every second without you even realizing it. And that is the true power of your brain.